In the near term, do you think, despite all the discussion around AI based on LLMs or even LQMs, are the systems going to stay mostly CRUD based? And when it comes to content related, people will plug in some LLMs because the infrastructure needs to evolve for a bit? Or you see applications even now that you can plug in LLM into some sort of a quasi CRUD plus infrastructure to really get or provide more definitive answers from a data perspective?
Yeah, I think this is where the systems that are very focused on RAG or kind of the MCP platforms become really, really powerful because they are the nexus between CRUD and the LLMs. Right? We're getting pretty good at weeding out the hallucinations stuff. Some of these reasoning models, like even just what OpenAI has been able to do with some of the models where they basically have their own models gut checking the results of themselves, right? By spawning up multiple instances of themselves, farming out micro tasks, reconsolidating it, and kind of logic checking the result. In my personal use of these platforms, I feel like the rate at which there have been just patently false information or hallucinated information has gone down pretty considerably as the kind of intermediary fact checking of the models on the models has actually gotten better and better. But then you come back to the same exact problem, which is, okay, there's hallucinations, but then there's also just like usefulness and accuracy. Like there comes a point where, sure, if I want to ask an LLM about the War of 1812, it's going to be brilliant and it can write me a term paper. But if I want to ask it about a sales call that I just got off of and to contextualize that around all the activities that have gone on with this account across my product and my sales call recordings and my CRM data from the last 3 months, if I go to ChatGPT right now and type that in, it's going to have nothing to tell me because it can't see any of that data.